Want to know how to change your screen resolution in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided directly onto the main menu interface just like this right here. So once you're there, on the top right side you should be seeing something known as the gear icon. This is your settings. Click in the simply select it. So once you have selected that, your settings window should open up and it should look something like this. So now once you're under settings, make sure you're under video right here. And now under use D3D11, which is your DirectX version, you should be seeing resolution. So you can just simply change it just like this right here. That is 1360, 1366 according to your monitor. And you can just simply select apply once you're done. And once you have done that, your resolution changes should be there. So once I select apply, either you have to restart or your resolution should change. If it doesn't, make sure to restart your game and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.